Hello, my name is Robel Nagatu, and this is my week 10 Promineo Tech assignment. So the first steps, we were tasked to update three classes that we created previously: Projects App, Project DAO, and Project Service as well. As you can see in our Projects app, we added an extra private class here for Cur project, and we also added another private class list here, private list of add a project, list a project, and select a project here, as you can see. So this will be the first prompt you will see whenever you run the application. We also added an additional case as well for these additional basically prompts in our list. And down below, we've also added some logic for fetching based on which input you select, fetching the specific query and pulling the respective data from the database. And this is basically the rest of the logic we have added into our projects app. Next, I'm going to show you the project service at .java file, and as you can see here, we've added some additional classes. One is fetch all projects, which basically just returns all the projects that are in our database. And we also added this fetch project by ID. So it'll give us a specific project based on the actual project ID we insert. Yeah. Our last step was to update our project DAO file, as you can see here. And this is basically where we added our logic for our queries based on which input you select inside the project's app when it's running. So as you can see here, we have one of our queries is select all from project table, order by project name. This is basically giving us a list of all the projects that we have and just sorting it by the name. Next, we also have here fetch project by ID. Similarly, we're selecting all from the project table where the project ID is a specific value that we've inputted in our console. Coming down here, we also have another query as well, where we're selecting from our category table and joining that to our project category table using the category ID based on where the project, what the project ID is. And last, second to last, we also have a select all from step table. So based again off a project ID. And here we have select all from a material table, again, based on project ID. Next, I will show you the initial test that we were tasked with, which is the first test of simply just listing all the projects out. And once you run this projects.app file, just we're looking for this, we're targeting this. So that list all projects or list projects, and it'll give us a full list of our projects back. So let me run this now. As you can see here, we were prompted with answering this question, asking us to select one of these three. So I'm going to select two to list all the projects that I currently have in the database. And as you can see, I have two projects, Hang a Door and Nails in Door. So the next step for us was to basically run the application, select the project, and after we've inserted some material steps and one second. After we've entered some materials, steps, and categories, we should see them pop up under the respective project that we select. So I'm going to run here, Java application. As you can see, we have our prompt. We're going to do number 3 here to select a specific project. So I currently have two projects in my database, Hang a Door and Nails in Door. So I'm going to select project 1, and we should see the correct output, which is the materials associated, steps associated, and categories associated as well. Last step for our test was to basically run an error scenario. So I'll clear my terminal here. And I'll run an error scenario, which is basically inputting a project ID that does not exist in the database. So I'm going to do a select a project here. As you can see, I have two projects, Hang a Door and Nails in Door. I'm going to enter 99, which is clearly an invalid project number. And we should see this error. Project with project ID 99 does not exist. Try again. That is my week 10 Promineo Tech assignment. Thank you for watching.